I'm Gordon-Reid. I'm the CEO of Curiosity Learning. We're a very small company and we're all based around connecting knowledge together and joining information up so that people can actually pick the bigger picture out of the world around them. And to do that, we've developed a platform based around working particularly with 9 to 14-year-olds and helping them to experience choice in their learning journey rather than being told, as is so often the case in schools, what they need to know and when they should learn it. Curiosity is based on a child choosing a journey, and within that journey undertaking challenges, and the challenges all being supported by teacher resources, so that no matter whether they're choosing the inventions of Al-Jazari from 1,000 years ago or whether they're talking about the problems of climate change in the modern day, there's something there to support the teacher in their knowledge. And originally it was going to be paper-based, but we realised very quickly that it would be a completely unmanageable system. I spent probably 2 or 3 days browsing websites and looking at possibilities and making initial contacts, and a quick trawl through the internet produced Caspio, who fortunately came up very high on the Google rankings. And after discussions with Caspio, it became very obvious very quickly that first of all they could help, and secondly that it was undoubtedly the best way forward for the business. It's been utterly invaluable, the amount of input that Caspio have had, and it's all been given very willingly and in a friendly and understanding way for my inadequacies as a person with an idea but no knowledge. And the friendly response, you know, it's very difficult as a small new company to phone up and talk to somebody in a company that you know is many, many times your size. I was amazed how much can be done in a 1-hour phone call. Spent a lot of time discussing our application, which of course in those days was really you know, totally conceptual. There was nothing created. Response has been terrific, absolutely astonishing that so much care and attention can be given to, as I say, somebody as small as us. And you know, the thought that's gone into mapping this journey in a digital format is fantastic. What really appealed about Caspio was the fact that they weren't looking for a huge amount to undertake the project. It was a step-by-step process. It was a process where we could start at a very modest investment and develop from there if we chose. So I think that's been very helpful for us, for cash flow, for planning, for you know, our capital outlay as well. And in terms of the overall cost, if we had eventually produced this on paper, I suspect we would have probably spent not much less than we spent developing a useful digital application. No hesitation at all in recommending Caspio.